supine twist. You will need one block. Just lying flat with your feet on the floor, you're going to extend one foot out, keeping the right knee bent. Place your right foot behind your left knee, just like so. And you're going to rotate the body. So I'm going to hold onto my knee and just gently rotate my knee over to the left side of my body. Let me scoot over so you can see that a little better. Here we go. Rotating the knee over to the left side of the body and using my block for support. You may or may not need that. You could even put your block at different higher settings. I'm going to lift my right arm now and open it up toward the right side of my body. And then I'm going to send my eyes and my gaze over toward my right hand. So you can see how this is a nice deep twist that we can settle into. We don't want to move into any pain here, so we're not looking for pain in the lower spine. We're not looking for any necessarily cracking sensation. You can see I'm adjusting my block now. I want it a little higher. I'm playing around with, do I want a block? This is totally normal, because what we want to do is find the position that we can be still in. This is our final pose before Shavasana. So let's really resolve to be at peace, to reconnect with our personal prayer at the beginning, to relax the mind, rest, and love the body. One more minute. Gently release the knee and allow the hips to come back onto the earth, squaring the hips to the earth. Take a breath with both feet flat on the floor. Press into the earth and lift the hips up again, squaring the hips toward the sky, and release them down. Inhale. Exhale and push the hips up toward the sky again. And release them down. One more time. And release. Extend your right foot out, and the left foot is now kind of hooked behind the right knee. Guide the left knee over your body Hopefully your block is there if you need it. Open the left side, extending your left arm out. Your gaze goes toward the left side of your body, while your knee is toward the right side of the body. And relax. Make any subtle adjustments that you need to make as your body begins to open, relax, and release into quiet. We have 1 more minute of surrender in this pose. Gently begin to unwind the body, guiding the hips square back down onto the earth, bending both knees and placing both feet flat on the earth. Feel yourself solid. Push your hands into the earth and extend your hips up toward the sky. Nice and square. Smiling here. Really proud of you. Release your hips down. Take an inhale. And on the next exhale, push the hips up. Smiling, feeling good. You've done so well. Release the hips down. One more time. And release the hips down. Hug the knees and begin to rock back and forth. And from here, you're going to bicycle the legs, bicycle the feet. This is just reminding the joints where everything goes. Bicycle. Place both feet flat on the floor. Bring your knees together and begin to windshield wiper your knees from the right to the left. From the right to the left, just reminding everything where it goes after that deep opening. This has been Devin with Present Day Yoga. Namaste. Thank you. Goodbye.